6 types of heavy equipment. Bulldozer. Bulldozers are heavy equipment for construction work with the functions of pushing, spreading, transporting and backfilling soil, sand, gravel and other materials. Bulldozer uses a base in the form of a tractor, which at the front is equipped with a shovel, a large metal blade called a dozer or also known as a blade. Bulldozers can be used at various project sites, such as mines and quarries, military bases, heavy industrial plants, engineering projects, and livestock. Excavator. Excavators is a type of heavy equipment, which is generally used to dig in the ground and loading soil or other materials onto trucks. Excavators have other functions, including moving heavy materials, leveling the ground, embedding foundation rods, dredging rivers, and many others. Excavator is the most common tool in a project due to its various functions. Motor grader. These motor graders typically have 3 axles, with the steering wheel at the front, followed by the grader blades. Multiple functions of motor graders. 1. To level the road surface at the final stage before paving. 2. Leveling the sand fill on the road surface. 3. Create a sloping surface for drainage. 4. Leveling the ground surface before building construction. 5. Dredging, pushing soil, sand and snow. Crane. Truck crane is a type of crane that is used to move materials, tools or loads in the field to industries or factories, construction areas and so on. Truck crane is a crane that is directly on the truck so that it can be brought directly to the job site without having to using a vehicle. Wheeldozer. Wheeldozer is heavy equipment, which combines the capability, high mobilization of a wheel loader with the ability of a bulldozer. This heavy equipment is also equipped with a blade that is capable of pushing and spreading material. Wheeldozers are usually applied in the mining sector. Single drum rollers. Single drum rollers is a tool that is widely used for work. Construction such as soil compaction in the construction of roads, parking lots, buildings, airports and dams. Series D is used for compaction of non-cohesive type soils. The PV series is used for compacting very cohesive soils with high water content, and the H series for compacting soil on steep slopes.